Good morning to all. Hello friends. I am your friend Dr. Shubh Patel. Today we will discuss about a question from Lab Animal Medicine. Which of the following species has a gyrencephalic brain? Rattus norvegicus, Calothrix jacus, Mus musculus, Macaca mulata, Samurai Ureus. Answer: D. Macaca mulata. Let us see the step-by-step explanation. Understanding gyrencephalic brain. A gyrencephalic brain is characterized by the presence of folds known as gyri and grooves called sulci. These folds increase the surface area of the brain, which allows for a greater number of neurons and more complex brain functions such as advanced cognition, memory, and behavior. In contrast, a lissencephalic brain is smooth, with minimal or no folding, and is typically found in smaller mammals with simpler neural structures. Correct answer: D. Macaca mulata, rhesus macaque. The rhesus macaque has a well-developed, gyrencephalic brain. It belongs to the Old World monkey category, which is known for having brains with significant folding, similar to humans. This complex brain structure makes macaques ideal models for advanced neuroscience research, including studies on visual processing, cognition, neurodegenerative diseases, and motor control. Why correct? The rhesus macaque's brain has extensive gyri and sulci, offering a larger cortical surface area and making it suitable for translational research relevant to human brain functions. Incorrect options explained. A. Rattus norvegicus, rat. The rat possesses a lissencephalic brain, meaning it is smooth without the characteristic folds of a gyrencephalic brain. Although rats are commonly used in neuroscience research, their simpler brain architecture limits their application in studies requiring complex cortical folding. Why incorrect? The absence of gyri and sulci means a reduced cortical surface area, making it unsuitable for advanced cortical studies. B. Calothrix jacus, common marmoset. The marmoset is a New World monkey and, interestingly, its brain is mostly lissencephalic, with only shallow grooves and minimal folding. Although it is a primate, its brain structure is less complex than that of Old World monkeys like the macaque. Why incorrect? Despite being a primate, the marmoset does not have the fully developed cortical folding of a gyrencephalic brain. C. Mus musculus, mouse. The mouse also has a lissencephalic brain. Similar to the rat, its brain surface is smooth, with no significant gyri or sulci. Mice are valuable for genetic and basic neuroscience studies but are limited in modeling higher brain functions that require folded cortex. Why incorrect? No cortical folding is present, making it a poor model for studying gyrencephalic brain characteristics. E. Samurai Ureus, squirrel monkey. The squirrel monkey, another New World monkey, has a partially folded brain with fewer and shallower gyri compared to macaques. While it shows some degree of folding, it is not considered a fully gyrencephalic species. Why incorrect? The brain of the squirrel monkey is less folded and does not meet the criteria for a fully gyrencephalic brain like the rhesus macaque. Refer table for summary. Important research applications of gyrencephalic brains. Better translation to human studies. Diseases involving the cortex, such as epilepsy, Alzheimer's disease, and schizophrenia, are better modeled in species with gyrencephalic brains. Advanced behavioral research. Complex behaviors, cognitive functions, and social interactions are closely studied in animals with folded brains, given their higher neural processing capacity. Neurosurgical and imaging studies. Species like macaques serve as essential models in developing neurosurgical techniques and advanced brain imaging studies, which require similar brain folding to humans. Motor control and neurodegeneration models. Macaque models are used extensively in studying Parkinson's disease and motor control due to their well-developed basal ganglia circuits. Easy memory aid. To remember this, use the phrase: small mammals have smooth brains, advanced primates have folded brains. Mice and rats, smooth brains. Marmoset and squirrel monkey, some shallow folds but mostly smooth. Macaque, fully folded, gyrencephalic brain. Advanced understanding of gyrencephalic versus lissencephalic brain. Definition recap. Gyrencephalic brain has gyri, ridges, and sulci, grooves. These structures increase cortical surface area without increasing brain volume. Gyrencephalic brain, smooth surface with minimal or no gyri and sulci. Neuronal circuits are present but less complex in surface layout. Why does folding matter? Folding allows more neurons to fit in the skull, supporting higher processing power. It optimizes connectivity between different brain regions. Folding helps with thermoregulation, spreading out metabolic heat across a larger surface. Refer table for deeper classification of mammals by brain folding. Evolutionary perspective. Small animals, mouse, rat, small body size, rapid life cycle, no evolutionary pressure for complex folding. Medium animals, squirrel, monkey, moderate folding begins as cognitive demands increase. Large primates, macaque, baboon, human, high folding to support complex social structures, tool use, advanced problem solving. Brain size versus folding, not always direct. Larger brains tend to be more folded, but this is not absolute. Example, some marine mammals like dolphins have highly folded brains relative to their body size, used for complex sonar navigation and social communication. Practical research relevance of gyrencephalic models. Neurological disease modeling. Disorders like Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy involve cortical disruptions that are better replicated in gyrencephalic models like macaques. Neurodevelopment studies. Folding patterns develop over time. Studying gyrification in macaques helps understand human fetal brain development. Stroke research. Stroke outcomes differ between smooth-brained and folded brain animals. Gyrencephalic models give closer parallels to human ischemic events. Visual and motor control studies. Macaques have well-mapped visual and motor cortices, allowing precise studies of motor pathways and visual processing. Psychiatric research. Folding complexity influences cognitive flexibility. Macaque models assist in studying schizophrenia, autism spectrum disorders, and depression. Developmental biology. How does folding happen? The brain starts smooth in embryonic development. As neurons proliferate and migrate, mechanical forces and differential growth rates produce folds. Genes such as LIS1 and DCX are critical in this process. Mutations in these genes in humans can lead to lysencephaly, a severe developmental disorder. Refer table for examples of animal models by use. Exam SmartLine. Gyrencephalic brains, such as in Macaca mulata, provide an anatomically and functionally advanced platform for translational neuroscience, closely mirroring human cortical architecture in studies of cognition, neurodevelopment, and neurodegeneration. Bonus, evolutionary note. Did you know? Humans have the highest gyrification index, a measure of brain folding, among primates. Dolphins and whales also have extremely high indices, even comparable to primates, due to their complex communication and navigation systems. Memory aid refined. For exams, use. Mice and rats run smooth, monkeys start fold, macaques fully fold. Mouse, rat, smooth brains. Marmoset, squirrel, monkey, some folding but limited. Macaque, full gyrencephalic folding. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day ahead and save your patient with love and dedication. Please subscribe and like. See you soon on next video. Till then, bye from Dr. Shubh Patel.